Guys, welcome back to the Browntown Bandits YouTube channel. I have new merch. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so I could sell my merch. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and share this video with your best friend. Hoodies! We got hats, we got long sleeves, and we have got stickers. Hey guys, welcome back to the Browntown Bandits YouTube channel. We are in a blizzard and we are about to be ripping in a blizzard. Like you can see. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let me show you how deep this blizzard. We are literally in a blizzard. Let me show you how deep this is. Oh, like look at that. This is from that, and it was in here for the entire day. You guys want to watch me build a lay on the ground? Hey, let's go. Okay, maybe that was a bad idea. You guys see that it's still snowing. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to the Browntown Band. Yo. It's going a little bit slow because it's really deep. Oh. I'm gonna slip!
You're okay, you got it.
But I'm gonna slip! Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Guys, I'm so scared. I feel like I'm just gonna wreck. Okay, you know what? I quit YouTube. I wish I could just stop making videos. Did you see me?
Yeah, that was good.
No!
Go fast.
I was about to wreck.
Nah, you got it. It's
No, I was about to wreck. Okay, I don't want to play like this in the snow.
Come on, hit it fast.
Okay, that's enough. Guys, what do you all think about me ripping in this blizzard? I didn't do much because I felt like I was gonna crash because I already knew I was gonna crash. Like I just felt like it. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. tune in next time. I mean, no, tune in next time. You wanna, here, I wanna watch you guys keep playing in the snow with me. Watch. You see this? Do you guys dare me to go hit my dad with it? Okay, I'm gonna do it with my dad. Okay, I'm gonna throw it on my dad, okay? If I was rocking it, I'm still throwing it at him. Yo. Oh. Got it. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna throw it on my dad's windshield. Actually, I'm gonna make a shot on my basketball hoop. And his name is LeBron James. Wait. Oh, I think. Oh. Yo. I'm gonna just go hit my dad with it. I'm gonna hit my dad. Dad!